All right, now another feature that the EDM template site has that you would likely want to recreate is the idea of this column editor. If we look at the base site, essentially all it is it groups your library with each of the lists that you have under them and gives you the option to add new items and delete items. This is essentially the same as going into all site content and changing the list, though it aims to be much more user-friendly and gives you a sort of one-stop shop to the whole process. So much like our other pages, to do this, we need to go to Site Pages, add a new page, and give that page a name. We usually do Column Editor, and click Create. Now again, this is up to you. You can use a text layout as you want. For this, we use the one column. Give it a title like Column Editor. Now here we actually take advantage of the table. For the column editor, we don't use different text layout. We simply use a table with a merged row, 3 parts, merged row, so on. So simple enough. Add in a table that is 3 by whatever your needs are. We have 3 libraries, so I think it's six tables that we're going to use. And up here, we're going to type in our titles, project management, skip a space, then we're going to put in business documentation. We'll just put business, and then we'll put information services. We may have made some of this off screen, but these are the 3 libraries that we use for the base template. Now, this is a little bit different than what you might be used to in Excel. You need to select, to merge something, you need to select the cell you're on, merge cells, and merge in the direction. So here it's right, then merge again, merge right, and that gives you a sort of header. Repeat this for the other 2. Merge right, merge right. And you'll notice that these other columns have sort of corrected themselves now that everything's merged. And simply enough, all you need to do here is insert another web part and just make sure that you have it consistent and the correct one. I have project management up first here, and purpose is my top level, so I'm going to put purpose PM in the main column. Again, don't worry too much about the spacing. It'll buff itself out. This time I'm just clicking on existing list to make things quicker. And we're going to click document type PM. That's my second level filter. And on the third one, that is discipline PM, my third filter. All right. And that's pretty much it. The rest is up to you in terms of editing the headers, making them like larger or smaller, and styling them with color, highlighting them. Otherwise, this is the main functionality. You'd simply go down here and add purpose for business, document type for business, discipline for business. Same thing with information services. This will become much more useful in our future video when we add to the quick launch, and you can navigate here just by clicking off on one page. So that's it for the column editor, and for really all the views you need to make to have this EDM template be complete.